I'm doing something slightly different today. This is a shelf, I mean a drawer basically, that can go in and out under my desk. And let me show you. Yeah, I cut it with a really poor quality jigsaw, and this is the result. No straight lines at all. There's a 2-3 millimeter difference wherever you look. So what I'm going to attempt here is use two of these metal level thingies, which are supposedly straight. I'm going to put them on the board and fill this gap with filler. This thing right here, it's wood putty or something. It has wood fibers in it and acrylic glue. So yeah, I don't know how I will film this. Yeah, like this. I don't know, maybe push it in some more, like that, so you can see. That's how much I need to fill, like that. And it's not staying. What the hell? There's something under the... That's not good. Let's use a file or something to get rid of any edges. Yeah, I already put filler on it as an experiment, but now I will straighten it. So let's see. Now it stays. Okay. So yeah, pull it out like that. Put this one above and hold them together with one of these guys. Let's see. Only one end should be enough. Right there. And not too tight, because these are really cheap, really cheap. Like that. And you can't see it on the camera, but I'm really trying here. Like that. Okay, slightly more tight. Yes. Okay, so it's in place now. Actually, I will put in another clamp. This is not stable. The risk is that maybe I will ruin the level. It won't be straight if I clamp it down hard. But yeah, let me try this with another clamp. All these plastics keep coming off of the ends. I don't know how they designed it. Oh, it's on. Okay, so on the other end. Slightly tighten it. Okay, it's staying. Okay, perfect. Yeah, I mean, you know, okay. Not perfect. So yeah, let me use another ruler to check if they are straight. Almost perfect. Yep. Okay, I can undo the container and put on some of the sticky stuff. So let's see. I'm using a part of a SIM card part, whatever. And let's put on some goo here, like that. Try not to move anything, and take it to the level of the levels. Make it straight. After it hardens, you can file it down to the preferred, or use sandpaper or something to make it really good. So I don't have to be that precise here. I'm just going to put it in, and like that. And then maybe mark it how it should be straight, and work with a piece of sandpaper towards that goal. Okay. Some more here. Maybe right there. Yeah, I think it's okay. According to the shadows I can see here. Maybe a little more, here, like that. Okay. So, can I remove the... Let me put on the container's cap, because this dries up really quick, like in tens of minutes. So, let's see. I hope it will be fine, but there's no guarantee. So let's remove the clamps gently. Maybe I will hold it with my hand so it doesn't jump. It moved. Okay, doesn't matter. So, kind of dirty. I will wipe it down, no problem. And this one off. Well, what can I say? It's mostly okay. It's mostly straight. I will have to put some more filler in, like here a bit, but the rest is fine. That's wonderful. Extraordinary.